Hey guys, welcome to another video here with How to Natura Vita. And in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube outro, or as other people call it, an end page. Now in my previous video I showed you how to create an outro or end page in order to increase your subscriber list. Whereas in this video I'm going to show you how to create an outro just to prompt people to subscribe to your channel, or to get people to watch another video of yours and increase views in that way. So the outro I'm going to show you how to create today is one similar to Clossie. Check her out, she's really great. I like her channel, and this is her outro at the end of her video. So
to explain why I'm such a crazy cookie lady and I love baking so much.
now I'll show you how to create something similar, but something that she could have done as well is just to prompt people here to click on the link here. As you can see, you can also subscribe here, and it's pretty simple, straightforward, and yeah, I like it a lot. So I'm going to show you how to create this one, and I will also show you how to put the links at the end. So let's get started. Windows Movie Maker is free. I created a tutorial on how to download it and also how to use it, so check that out, it's in the description box. And if you've already got one which supports PIP, for example Adobe, PIP just means picture in picture, which means that you can have more than one video in a shot. If you've got that, then you can actually create your outro using this as well. If you've got Windows Live Movie Maker, then you will need to create your outro using PowerPoint, or you can use Paint or Pixlr. You can also use Photoshop. I'm going to show you how to create your outro using PowerPoint today. First things first is open your PowerPoint, and then you want to get rid of the title boxes, so just click on the edge and hit delete. Again, hit delete. Now we want to resize this background image. To do that, go to Design, Page Setup, and so basically we want to resize this image so that it is, so for the width 1920 and for the height 1080. In inches that comes to 25.6 plus 14.4. So that's what we're going to type into the margins here, 25.6 and 14.4. Boom. And that will perfectly fit at the back of our video at the end, so it doesn't look out of place or has these weird borders. Alright, so once we resize, we want to look for a nice sort of design to go with. I'm just going to pick a very basic one. Let's go with that. Yeah, that will do it. Next, we want to get a cool looking TV clip art, and in order to do that, it's super easy. You go to Google, and when you're in Google, type TV clip art, whatever you're looking for. If you type clip art, it will search for the cartoon version of it, and then PNG. PNG means there is no white background at the back, so it's just the image and that's it. Go to images. So you've got all of these cool TVs. I'm going to go with that one. Yeah, I like it. And the size is relatively okay, so 555 by 705. I like that. Now to save this image, you want to right click and then go to Save Image As. Okay, and then you choose where you want to save it. I'm going to save it to my pictures and save. Okay, that's it. And then once you've done that, go back to your PowerPoint, and now you can import it. Let's go to Insert, and then here Picture, and then just click Insert, and here is the image. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Now to resize, just go through the edge here and drag it in using your mouse, the left button. I think that's fine. Actually, we want to make this bigger, to be honest, because that our video is going to go in here, isn't it? I'm going to add some text, so text box, and you can say here subscribe. Boom. You can make that bigger, for example. Okay, this is one possibility. Another possibility is remove this and again go to Google and type in Google subscribe. Oopsie daisy. And then you can just simply let's go with this one, for example. You can again save the image same way that we save this TV image. It's the same process. Okay, and now we can go back to insert picture, and actually let's go with this one. I got this one the same way as the other, and just move it. To move the image, you go to the center of the image and just drag with your mouse, and again to resize, go to the edge and drag it in with your mouse, and that's okay. I mean, it doesn't look brilliant, but it doesn't matter. You get the idea, isn't it? Now we want to add our video here. Now I have to say, unfortunately, you won't be able to add a video like this one. Somebody actually talking.
And I love baking so much.
And this is because Movie Maker is really basic. All you can do really is add a picture of the next video that you want people to see. So I'm going to put one of my previous video thumbnails in here. So again, picture. Okay, so that is of a previous video of mine. So you can just add that like this, drag it in, you know, make it fit. This is probably not the best TV, I have to say, to be honest. I think I'm gonna change the TV, so let me just find another TV very quickly. And that's a little bit better. I had to re-import this one because I want it to be on top. Okay, that's much better. Okay, so that's looking good. Next thing we want to say is at the top we want to add text. So let's insert, add box, and we're going to say, but you can, you know, write whatever you want, and then you can really customize this. You know, you can change the font. So let's change the font to, I like to use this one here, Palatino Linotype, and we can make it a little bit bigger. Yep. And also you can fill and give it an outline, make it yellow maybe so it can stand out more, and you know, make it bold. Okay, that looks okay. I mean, it could be better, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, once you're happy, save the image. So file and save as. Save it as a JPEG file, and we're going to call it outro. Current slide, yes, that's it. So we've created our outro. Now to add the outro to the end of our video, we go to Windows Movie Maker, go right to the end. Here you want to add your video or photo, so click on add video or photo. Here it is. Okay, there it is. Okay, so let's look at that. To add music, you go to add music here, and then add music at current point, and I'm just choosing something from a library. I like Carolina Street, so let's go with that. Okay, that's fine. That's how to add music, simple as. Okay, to drag your music to another spot, you click on music. So let's drag it here just before the intersection between the previous video and the new video. Then you can add a transition here, and to do that just click on the last video, so your end page, go to animation, and here you can add a transition. My favorites are these three here, so we're going to go with crossfade, my favorite, absolute favorite. The last thing we want to do is add an effect, so make sure your video or your end page is highlighted. You see the blue box, that's when it's highlighted. And then go here to video effects, and let's just go here, zoom out, yes. Okay, now let's watch. So once you've added the end page to your video, save it. So go here, save movie. I usually do for high definition display. So once it's saved, then of course you upload it to your YouTube channel. So you go here, you upload the video, and then it will show here, and that's when you can edit your video. So let's click on edit. Okay, and then you want to go to annotations.
Hey guys, welcome to another video here at Shavita, and
so as you can see, I've got an end page here already. Created this with my Adobe, so I didn't use PowerPoint here, because in Adobe you can actually add a video in a video. That's the great thing with having a PIP video editing software, something that supports it anyway. See? Now let's add links. For the subscribe button, we go to add annotation, spotlight, and you can see this box here, the transparent box. Now just move it, click on the center of the box, and then just with your mouse, the left hand button on your mouse, move that here. Okay, next, resize the box. So simple, just drag the edges in like so. Okay, that's fine. Next thing you want to do is add your link. So go to here and click on link, and this is not a video, we want to add a subscribe link. So go to subscribe. Now it says here, enter a YouTube username to subscribe to. Now if it's your channel, of course, what you want to do is copy the link up here for your channel. So highlight, copy, go back to your annotation part here and just paste the link here. Boom. That's all you need to do, and yeah, you've added a link for people to subscribe. Again, go to add annotation, spotlight. You've got another one. You always know if you got another one by looking at these two red brackets. They show you that you are editing this particular one here, which is this. Okay, and then again, just drag out, and then you add your links. You want to get the URL of this video here. So right click on with your mouse, copy link address, and paste your link in here. Boom. Open link in a new window. Always recommend it. And then once you're happy, save everything. Boom, apply, and you are ready to go.
Hey guys, welcome to another video here at Shavita.
Okay. And here is the link that you've made. Lots of links there. Okay. Subscribe. Boom. And people can get redirected to your page here where they can subscribe. Anyways guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thank you guys, and bye. Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you some of the equipment that I use to